I want to talk to you today about Locksport burnout and what to do so that you don't burn out and quit the hobby. I was the first female black belt in the LPU. And so when I was making my way toward black belt, I really had like a big goal. I had a big goal in mind. There was no other female black belts. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to be the one. And so I worked my ass off to get my black belt. But the whole time I was aiming for that was like a goal. I had made a goal. And so, I was picking and picking, and my picking and hobby became more about meeting that goal than just enjoying the hobby. Now, I did enjoy the hobby the whole time, don't get me wrong. Don't forget to like. But the problem is, once I got my black belt, that main thing that was driving me for the longest time was now gone because I did it. I made it. And so I was just like, what the hell do I do now? There was like a certain drive that I had when I was on my way to black belt. And then once I got it, I was so happy, but it was a whole switch in my mindset, really, because that whole time, like I was striving to get that belt. It gave me something to kind of move toward. And once I got it, it was like there was nothing to move toward after that, And so I burned out. But you know what? The entire time I was pursuing my black belt, I also had my Locksport channel, and I also had a whole entire community that I created with my online meetups. And it really did take me a minute to kind of readjust my mindset and focus on something else. And really, that way I was able to continue. It's fun just to pick locks, and I kind of forgot that because I was on a mission. That is actually all I ever wanted to do, was just pick locks. And so now I'm doing that, and I'm having a lot of fun. I have my YouTube channel, which I love. I love all of you guys, my community. And so, I'm still having a great time. My goal now is to make 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm trying really, really, really hard to do that. So if you are enjoying my video and my content, please hit that like button. It is free. It only takes a quick second. If you guys would just hit it without me asking, I wouldn't have to insert this in my video, but some of you just ignore it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Now, back to the regularly scheduled program. So I say all this to say, don't burn out like I did. Make sure that you have a couple of other different goals. I think that's why a lot of people leave Locksport, because they meet their goal, whatever it might be, maybe pick a certain lock or get a certain belt level. And then they get into that kind of burnout where they're just like, what do I do now? And they kind of just get lost in what to do next, and they decide just to quit. And I hate to see that happen. So just make sure that you have a couple of other goals. There's tons of different stuff to do in Locksport. There's all kind of different types of locks to pick. You've got lever locks, you've got disc detainer locks, you've got pin tumbler locks, you've got dimple locks. There's just a lot of different things. And also, there's pick making, there's challenge lock making, there's impressioning. I could go on and on. All the quests that you can choose for black belt, you can actually just go and do some of those. But there's a lot of different things you can do. Don't burn out, all right? Don't burn out and leave the hobby. I'm talking to you, all right? I think we covered it. Subscribe.